Welcome everyone to my cookery channel. This is Deepavali, and on this occasion we see the dry fruits all over. Rather you can say that as far as the sweets are concerned, Deepavali is an occasion where we consume a lot of dry fruits. So today we are going to make a sweet with dry fruit, and this is a sweet which has no added sugar. It's all natural sugar. There is no color, no preservative, and above all, the best part is it is full of nutrition and there is no fire. So you can involve your children of the house also to make this laddu, and they will simply love it because this is the time when children have holidays. So this is the dates what I have taken, and this is the date which is I have taken this date, Merzol dates, and this is 2.5 gram, and this is equivalent to 2.5 gram. Now what I have done, I have cut it into small pieces. You can see I have put one full one. First you have to de-seed it because this has seeds, so I have taken out the seed and then I have cut it into small pieces. Some people put it in mixie, but if you put it in mixie it becomes too lumpy and it loses its original color. It becomes little lighter. So I generally prefer cutting with the knife and then mash it little so that it can hold the dry fruits, and then you can make the laddu. So this is the way I have done. This is entire thing is 250 grams. So this is the binding material, and this is the one which is providing the sweets to your laddus. Now this is, I have taken 100 grams of almonds and 100 grams of cashew. Now here you have to be very careful about the cleanliness of the stuff. What I do, I take a cloth, put it little, make it little damp, and I put my dry fruits in this and properly I rub it, and then I keep it in the under the fan so that it dries up. Same thing I do with the dates also. I take a wet cloth and wipe my dates because these days you don't know what kind of stuff is there, so it's better to clean it. And the cashew nuts, always cut it from the center because you'll find at times inside the cashew nuts will find some kind of insect or worm or something. So you have to be very careful when using anything of cashew nut. Now do this. Now I have to cut these dry fruits. You can cut it by hand, but this is a very easy thing. You can easily cut it and it cuts into the smaller portions, small parts. So see, just have to hold it like this and you have to cut it. See how beautifully it has got cut into different pieces, and you will have the big pieces and the small pieces, which is the best part of the laddu. Don't do it in the mixie because in the mixie you will get very small portions, and see this has come out how well. Same thing you can do with your cashew nuts. It's very simple, very fast, and it serves our purpose. Just put it over here. This you get it in Amazon and it's quite cheap, not very expensive. See, if you want a little more, I can just pull the string few more times. This is the size I really wanted it. See. Okay. Now I have to mix everything. You can add pistachio in this. You can add anjeer in this. Whatever you wish you can add here, and then mix everything together. See that all this gets inside this dates, and this will be your laddu. Very simple, full of nutrition. If children don't take dry fruit, this is the best way to give them to consume the dry fruits. See, and the color is looking so pretty. Pista also looks very nice and tastes very good in this sweet. I feel that in my house when guests come, and they don't prefer taking sweets, but when I serve this laddu, they happily take it because it's all natural. You can just see that everything goes inside. The quantity of dry fruits you can vary, but I find this because you have to see to the sweet content of the dates. If you put too much of dry fruits, then the sweetness becomes less. This will become like a dough, and now you can cut it into small pieces as per the requirement of your laddu, and just make it into laddus. See, so simple, it's all done. Now you can serve it as it is, or while giving you can wrap it into, I do it in the aluminum foil so that it remains fresh and it does not dry at all. You can also put it in the powder of the almond. If you want the top surface to be dry, you can put it in the almond. This is the laddu. You can just put it in these papers so that it maintains its moisture. Now children prefer, when they find the aluminum foil, they find it very interesting to have. And then you can put it, I have made few, I will just show it to you. I have made some laddus also, and how do I wrap it? You can see there are different bottles. I put it in those bottles and they look so attractive and children love to have it. You can decorate it the way you want. See, these are all these dry fruit laddus. You can have the different kinds of containers. See, I have bought this one. This, any housewife can use it later. Even this container is very useful, they can use it. And this way I have made some laddus also. I will show you the final output. Laddus of the, this one I have made with, one is made with, this is made with pista and almonds, and this is your almonds and cashew nut. So make it, enjoy it. There is one more shape you can make. If you like the laddu shape, it's fine. Otherwise you can roll it. Roll it like this. Roll it like this and cut it with the knife. So this will be in the disc form. Since most of the sweets are in the laddu form, the disc form adds to the different shape when you serve the fruit or when you serve the sweets. So this also looks very pretty. You have to cut it very neatly so that the edges are very neat, and you can serve it with this way. I'll put it in a plate and show it to you. See, the disc form looks very attractive. So it depends on you, whatever form, whatever shape is liked by the people from of your house. So enjoy this dry fruit snack, and you can have it as many as you wish because no artificial sugar and no cooking with the fire. So it's all natural and full of nutrition. Thank you. Enjoy.